Hi, Jimmy from Ecoscape Solutions here, your all-in-one sustainable land rehabilitation partner. Recently, our boys were called out to Dubbo in country New South Wales to install top-quality pine bark mulch across a large, newly developed subdivision, where our client was under a tight time frame to complete the landscaping work. Once our Eco Blower and Slinger trucks entered the scene, in just 3 days, the job site had 400 cubic metres of mulch accurately and efficiently installed, all of which will help the site with weed suppression, moisture retention, plant growth and erosion control. So give us a call today and we'd love to help you make your ground look great again.